Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu la tattakhidhu bitanatan min dunikum la ya'lunakum khabala waddu ma 'anittum قد بدت البغضاء من أفواههم وما تخفي صدورهم أكبر قد بينا لكم الآيات إن كنتم تعقلون. Translation: O you believers, do not make intimate friendship with others than your own people, as they spare no chance to ruin you. They would love to see you suffering. Hatred is already appearing from their mouths, but what is hidden in their hearts is far greater. We have made clear for you the revealed verses if you use your understanding. The previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has explained two groups of believers and non-believers, and now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is commanding Muslims not to trust the non-Muslims and do not share their secrets with them. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that, O people who believe, do not make these non-believers your intimate friends and do not share your secrets with them, because they want to put you in difficult situation and they show this in their speech, but what is in their hearts is even more hatred and worse. In the city of Medina Munawwara, there were two tribes, Aus and Khazraj. They accepted Islam and they had long relationships with the Jews of Medina, and even after accepting Islam, they continued to share their secrets with them, and they thought that they are still friends with the Jews, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made it clear that these people are not the friends of Muslims and they will use all the secrets against Muslims. In today's life, if we ponder any non-Muslims, including the Hindus and Sikhs and Jews and Christians and hypocrites, have the same intentions. They hate Muslims and they want Muslims to be destroyed and never united. And the reason is that they have a false belief that Muslims want to overcome their power and want to take their things. However, the true Muslims only want to spread the truth and spread the guidance and save themselves from the hellfire and save others from the hellfire. This is the only intention of Muslims of the world who understand Islam. The Muslims never are interested in the worldly things, in the worldly countries and land or anything like that. They just want the pleasure of Allah and they just want to get into the paradise and to be saved from the hellfire. Because of this misunderstanding, the non-Muslims always try to divide Muslims and to destroy their economy and to destroy their countries, and they feel happy when Muslims are fighting with each other, and they show it this hatred in their speech, but what's in their heart is even worse, and they have lots of hatred in their heart. So let's pray that, oh Allah, give us true understanding of Islam, and oh Allah, help us spread the truth and make Muslims united, and help us convey the message of Quran to the world so that the world can understand that Islam is a religion of peace, Islam is a religion of guidance, and the Muslims who are the preachers of Islam do not want anything in this world, but they want the ultimate good, which is the paradise, and they want to be saved from the hellfire. Oh Allah, help us achieve this goal. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.